Well, good afternoon to those here as well as to people who are watching on Facebook. This is going to be the last scheduled press conference of the year for the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, and so let me take the opportunity to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. I want to read a statement about something that I experienced last year and was just an incredibly moving experience, and it turned out, thankfully, very different than I thought it would. So 1 year ago today, Phoenix police officer Tyler Moldovan was shot multiple times while searching for a dangerous suspect in a small apartment complex. I actually was the division chief over the homicide unit at the time, and so I responded to the scene. His injuries were incredibly severe, and we didn't know if he would survive. In fact, I was convinced that he would not. Earlier today, I watched a video of Officer Moldovan and his wife Chelsea sitting in front of a Christmas tree. It is a stark contrast to what I saw that early morning when he was so close to death. Today, he was speaking and he was breathing on his own, and he was clearly enjoying himself. In the video, Chelsea mentions that this time last year they had purchased a Christmas tree but not yet decorated it. And of course, they never got to last year. He never made it home that night, and in fact, he almost never made it home, period. So we are thankful to God that he was able to recover to the extent that he has and that he is at home this year. But the community needs to know that this is a reality for our first responders. Every time a police officer leaves their home to work a shift, they have to live with the understanding that they may not return. And it's not just them, it's their family members have to live with that knowledge too. So I hope this season, this holiday season, that we don't have to pray for another miracle for another officer. So on behalf of myself and everyone who works at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, I want to wish all first responders in our community a safe and a happy holiday season, and that you have time to spend with those you love. And with that, I'll take any questions.
Just want to touch on the how you and your office and Buckeye came together and ended up with the stepmom.
You know, I have to be careful because that is an ongoing case, and so I don't want to get into the details. I will tell you that because that case has been going on a long time, I actually was involved in it in my prior capacity as division chief and bureau chief over those units. So I'm very aware of it and have been following it. I'm hopeful that we can at least get some measure of justice.
Is 2 years a little long on figuring that type of case out, or is that kind of standard? Or
just speaking generally for cases, when you have a very complex set of facts and you want to make sure that you've got all of the information to make the best decision possible, it's opting for accuracy and doing the right thing over expediency. All right. Well, thank you very much. Again, happy holidays. Happy holidays to people on Facebook.